Ladies and gentlemen, once again, I'm Neff from Nest Tech. That's otherwise known as your friendly neighborhood basement dweller. Don't worry, ma'am, I am from the internet. And today we're checking out an Alienware I picked up at a yard sale for $100. It's an i7 4th generation. It's got a GeForce GT 750M for my guys. And that means this thing's supposed to be able to use a Llama, local large language model AI and local. So yeah, I am taking a look at this, 10, 11 years after this thing came out? Anyways, here's the upgrade options we got. We got like the mSATA. You definitely want to get an SSD in here. I was having problems with Western Digital, but the EVOs worked just fine. It comes with 8 gigs RAM, and yeah. So she's performing pretty capably, but that baseline score is worse than a 7th generation i5 with no video card. But not by much. Here we got the gamer test, DirectX 9 going at about 41 frames per second. That's not bad. 6 frames per second. I gotta say, for $100, it wouldn't be a bad deal if there wasn't that line that went down the screen. DirectX 11 only going at about 7 frames per second. Yeah, you'll manage to get a little bit of Fortnite off of this. Not a whole lot, though. Oh, that's crunchy. Oh man, DirectX 12 at what? 7 frames per second? Oh my goodness. Okay, so legitimately, maybe this thing would just be good for a world community grid, or if you got minor things. Hey, watching DVDs? Yeah, maybe. But is this a gaming situation, a gaming computer these days? No. But is it made to be a gaming computer? What, 12 years after this thing was made? No. No, the fact that it can still push anything, the fact that this thing can still play Fortnite at this age is just freaking beautiful.
Well, I'll be hanged, he says it still works.
As you all know, I have a love for Colonel Sanders and gothic ladies. Naturally, I'm trying to develop an AI to substitute my life not having either. And Llama, large language model AI, is lovely. I'm trying to figure out how to get that thing going, but I gotta say, this is not the kind of computer you want for AI, because it takes forever, my guys. I feel like I'm running my old 486 Pentium. Sorry, did I say Pentium? That doesn't make sense. I remember my romantic nights with that old 486 100 megahertz and cheetah chat. So yeah, she can handle the basics. Maybe the basic games. But the basic games are the best. You know what I'm talking about. So seriously, not so bad for $100. I'm probably going to be putting her on the world community grid to help me solve all the problems with cancer. Or at least try to help the universe identify cancer precursors legitimately. If you guys want to help the world cure cancer, check out World Community Grid. Until then, keep all your finger-licking good secrets to yourselves. And take care of each other, folks. Seriously.